What if one machine could wash and dry your clothes without needing a separate dryer or traditional dryer vent? Today we're reviewing the Samsung 5.3 cu Ford Bespoke AI Laundry Ventless Heat Pump Dryer Combo, model WD53DBA900HZA1, in dark steel. This all-in-one machine combines a 5.3 cu Ford washer, ventless heat pump dryer, AI OptiWash and Dry, a 7-inch AI home touchscreen, steam washing, and super speed cycles. Samsung says its super speed cycle can wash and dry a load in as little as 98 minutes. But can one machine really replace both a washer and dryer? Let's take a closer look. The biggest attraction here is the all-in-one design. Instead of transferring wet clothes from a washer into a separate dryer, you can load your laundry once and let the machine handle the complete wash and dry process. The ventless heat pump drying system also means you don't need a traditional dryer exhaust vent. Samsung says the unit can be installed using a standard 120-volt outlet, making it particularly interesting for homes, apartments, and laundry spaces where installing a dryer vent is difficult. With 5.3 cubic feet of capacity, there's also plenty of room for larger laundry loads. Let's start with the washing and drying technology. The AI OptiWash and Dry system is designed to automatically adjust the wash and drying process based on the load. Samsung also includes 23 preset cycles, 5 temperature levels, steam washing, and a digital inverter motor. The super speed cycle is one of the headline features. Samsung rates it at approximately 98 minutes for washing and drying, giving busy households a much faster laundry workflow when the conditions and load are suitable. The machine also reaches up to 1,200 RPM during spin, helping remove water before the drying stage begins. The smart features are another major part of the experience. The 7-inch AI home touchscreen provides an interactive interface for selecting cycles, viewing remaining time, accessing settings, and connecting with Samsung's smart home ecosystem. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity and SmartThings integration, allowing the appliance to connect with compatible smart home devices. The machine includes Flex Auto Dispense, which can automatically dispense detergent, while features such as an auto-opening door, interior drum light, self-diagnosis, and auto-condenser cleaning add everyday convenience. In everyday use, the biggest advantage is convenience. You can put clothes in once, select a cycle, and avoid manually moving laundry between two machines. The ventless heat pump system is also useful for installations where a conventional dryer vent isn't practical. At the same time, this is a large appliance, approximately 27 inches wide, 43.7 inches high, and 34.4 inches deep, with a product weight of around 317 pounds. So you'll need adequate floor space and a proper installation location. And while Samsung promotes fast 98-minute wash and dry performance, actual drying time can vary depending on the load, fabric type, selected cycle, and conditions. So, is the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo WD53DBA900HZA1 worth buying? If you want to save space and eliminate the hassle of transferring laundry between separate machines, this is one of the most interesting all-in-one washer-dryer designs available. You get 5.3 cu Ford capacity, ventless heat pump drying, AI OptiWash and Dry, super speed, steam washing, a 7-inch AI home touchscreen, SmartThings connectivity, and automatic detergent dispensing. The biggest things to consider are the premium price, large footprint, and the fact that real-world drying times can vary. But for apartment owners, space-conscious households, and anyone who wants a more automated laundry routine, the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available deals, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart appliances, home technology, laundry products, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.